Hey guys, Carly here from the today we're going to be playing with some slime. Look at this one. Make sure to like and subscribe. We won't be doing this one for long. And I might put it back now. Okay. So we might be just talking. I'm gonna have my little brother with me. He's right there. Say hello, Cameron.
Hello, are you dumbheads?
Don't mind him, he just thinks he's the best person ever and has to be always silly. So that's my cousin slime right there, and Cameron is playing with it. So yeah,
But he actually don't like slime.
he does like it. Don't mind him, he always plays it. And we might
We do hide no seek.
be playing hide and seek in a while. But yeah, so bye for now.